we're filming Learn to Love from my album 1981. It's super exciting. Come on into my trailer. This music video has been 2 years in the making. So you can see here I got my merman tail. It's custom made. This is gonna be magical. I've been playing this for over 2 years. And this is a story about when I was struggling with my identity coming out the closet as a gay man living in Oklahoma. I wanted to tell the story through a fantasy perspective. So it kind of brings so many dreams to life for me because I've always been into like The Little Mermaid and the movie Splash, and I wanted to create my own story from it. So because I was like, why does Ariel want to be human when she could be a mermaid, you know? So I was like, I'm gonna, switch it because I feel like coming to my identity was such a traumatizing experience living in Oklahoma, not being able to be myself, and for the first time ever, I'm finally who I am. But the trauma stays with you for a lifetime, right, Ariana?
Yes.
Ariana's my best friend. She's my makeup artist on set. She traveled around the world with me. This is gonna be almost like a sequel to my music video Midnight that I filmed over 3 years ago. Midnight was the story of me in high school where I was a football player. I was hiding my identity and I had a girlfriend, but in real life I was with this girlfriend for over 10 years and I kept hiding who I am. So in Superpower music video, that was a continuation of that. But in this music video, Learn to Love, it's about me coming into my own skin, or my own fins, if you will, and learning to love again. Because once you become free of hiding, you have to relearn how to love yourself before you can learn to love anyone else. And this is gonna be my first outfit because I'm supposed to walk into the water. So with this outfit, I'm gonna go into the ocean barefoot, as if I'm submerging myself in this other world to free myself from being trapped in my own body. And that's when I discover Clinton, who's gonna play our merman, who gives me a kiss to bring me back to life. And this is my main performance outfit. You can see I love orange. Orange is my favorite color. And this has almost like a little cape moment, so it'll flow. This will flow into the wind and it'll look really, really pretty. People have no idea how hard it is and how much dedication it takes to film a music video. It's an all-day thing. I filmed for 2 days, but then I had to do choreography for days and months on end and practice how to swim with fins on. So it's a lot of work. Our crew on set here today, we have a whole team. We have a crane that will be shooting me, and my amazing director, hello, Marco, who's been with me for forever, over 3 years. So we've worked together on multiple music videos. He's a good friend of mine as well.
Of course.
And he brings my vision to life. So thank you.
We love making dreams come true.
We do. Oh, look how great this is.
I know.
Come look at this. I want you to see. So here's the crane. This machine is serious business where the camera can go in and out, but you can see how scary this is. When you look at the rocks here, look at the water. I'm gonna have to sit on that rock. I'm gonna have to sit on that rock and hope the waves don't like pull me under and get eaten by a shark. Oh God. I'm walking in deep thought, thinking about my life and what I should do, and should I go into the ocean and be one with myself.
And we're just gonna kind of follow your lead.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah, we are.
Did the shot look good as I open up?
I love the looking back.
Okay, so this is my performance look on, you can see here. And this is where I'll be singing the song and doing a couple posing moments, so.
I was chained, trapped in the depths of my brain, always surrounded by pain, slowly going insane. You set me free. Now I'm not the man I used to be. You gave me the air I need, so I'm using this chance to breathe and believe. To learn to love again, to learn to love again.
All right.
Oh, it's cold.
Let's do a quick playback on that last one.
It's cold now.
Hey, Ben.
It is.
You want to do one more and we move on?
Yes, I think we got after I do one more. I'm gonna give it all I got, but I'm telling you, it's freezing.
You're always cold. We always have you in cold situations.
You know what? It's worth it.
Yeah.
Still better than the rain.
Yeah.
Put
This
on
is,
us.
oh, that was the
Definitely.
coldest.
Yeah.
That rain on Quinn on this is no joke. This is super exciting. This is a dream come true for sure. I don't even know what to think right now because I'm feeling so good. Because when I saw the playback, there's so many good shots. This is only the performance shot, and then we still have the acting scenes that we're doing later with Anthia, who plays my girlfriend from my past, which is really important.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Did you get that?
We got that as much as I would allow the camera to get wet.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh my. Okay. Well,
Okay.
That's the big one. Did we get that?
You have to squeeze lube inside.
Oh, this is so hard, and it's gonna be hard to get out of it too. Let me know when we're shooting because this thing does hurt.
You rescue me. The shock made my heart start to beat. You gave me the air I need. So I'm using this chance to breathe and believe.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on the beach. A wrap on the beach. So let's clean up, bring it back to the base up there, and then rally.
This is my class of 1989. This is my high school yearbook. So you can see we have a picture of Seamus, who played my lover. I'm with the most popular girl in high school, Anthia. I'm the football player, quarterback, head cheerleader.
Look at this appeal.
You can see.
So,
Anthia, this is my girlfriend, Anthia.
Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry. She's my wife by
High
this
school
point.
sweethearts.
In 1989, we were high school sweethearts. You can see she's the most popular cheerleader. And so now we're married. But the situation is I'm not being true to myself because I'm not out of the closet at this point, and I want to break free and be my authentic. Poor Anthia.
I know, poor me.
She keeps playing this role where I'm like cheating on you and leaving. Okay, first of all, I mean, we do make a great couple, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Can we talk about her hair? Look at this. So I did this hair for her. Look at the curls. Look at the color. This is actually Tang, my dandy color. We did 10 and 9 with clear, and boom, that beautiful blonde. And the beachy waves. And this is what you get as she turns around. Anthia. Oh! I love watching playback because I get to see what I can do better in the next take, if we have to do a second take before we move on. Today's been great. I would say the start of the day was very exciting because the beach and the cold water, but I'm happy to finally tell multiple facets of my story because I've told this in many different ways because there's layers, right, Ariana? There's always layers and people forget it's not just one thing and you pop it open. Once you open it, there's like layers that you have to, peel open to reveal different facets of your pain and your suffering and reveal your truth. And that's what this video is about. I've been talking about this for 2 years.
Yes.
And I had these fins custom made for over 2 years. They're sitting there waiting for me to film this video.
Wow.
Yep.
And we just never got around to it until now. So that's why, and it's perfect timing. I say it's either now or never. I'm 41, I can't wait any longer. So I was like, let's do it before it's too late.
How's been the mermaid lessons?
Okay, well, I've been taking multiple lessons with Hannah, who I admire. I've been watching her on YouTube. She is like this mermaid queen. She swims with sharks in the ocean. And then whenever she came up, and I was like, wait, you're Hannah. I'm a huge fan of yours. And she's the one who is coaching me and teaching me how to swim in my fins. The most important part is that I learned how to breathe underwater. And because I learned how to do that, I actually learned how to almost like meditate and learn how to deal with my stresses.
Breathing exercises you did.
Yeah.
And what was the very important thing that she said? That when you come up for air,
don't
do not panic.
Hannah says do not panic because you will have a blackout. And what you can learn from that in real life actually goes really far. Because in our everyday life, we panic, we get mad, we freak out. We can literally go blind, which I almost did, and then you can have a blackout. So it's about staying calm, breathing, because when we're stressed, things happen. Because your body fights to survive, so then you start doing things, and then you can end up killing yourself.
Yep.
Yeah, we might have to touch it. That's what I learned.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's it. Day one is a wrap. Oh, I got her on. She's on. Look.
That's gorgeous.
There she is. And here's Clinton, my Prince Charming.
I have arrived, babe. I'm putting on my golden tail right now and getting ready to swim in 16 feet with my beautiful man over there. This is our 5th music video together. This is our 3rd one this year. We did one in January and then one in April, and now we're doing this one. It's Learn to Love. Learn to Love is this one, and I'm super excited for it. I get to play like a fantasy role of being a merman underwater, and Ariel, what turns into a human? No, let's turn into a merman. And then we're gonna get in the water and create some stories.
We're shooting underwater stuff today. Okay, great job, guys. Now, this time, let's have you guys come towards the camera a little bit.
Okay, and let's roll. Come with me. All right, and let's cut nozzles, let's cut. Amazing, we can move on.
So how's the beginning of the day gone for you?
Oh my god, my feet hurt so bad in the fins. It's been, I learned how to breathe underwater, now I can't even see. My vision is really blurry right now. Oh my god. I just need to get this shot in. And I'm free from the fins. Oh my god. It's just I can't feel my feet. I need lots of eye drop, it's so dry.
The regular ones?
Yeah. And people think this is easy. It's not. We're right there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. So what I do is I'll start with the turn, cut to like you singing, come back to that, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Where are you? I'm looking for you. Oh, that looks so good.
Right?
Wow, I held that breath. Oh my gosh, look at that playback. I held my breath for a minute there. I'm so proud of myself.
Look at you.
I can't hear anything, but this is amazing.
Now we are having you fall in. This is the big moment where you fall in from the bathtub.
So backwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and action. Yes, the magic. You feel it. You're becoming a merman. Yes, open up, open up. Great. Awesome, that's it, yeah, all right. Great, give it oxygen, let's move on. Next shot. Next shot is just gonna be you starting, looking at the green screen, the right side of the green screen, and you are gonna swim diagonally to camera left in the front.
12 hours hours later, we're still in the pool. I am a prune. I'm shriveled up. It's been a lot of work, 2 days of filming, but I can't wait for everyone to see the video. Well, that's the wrap for me on Learn2Love. Colin is still down there doing his last shot. That's a wrap on Learn2Love music video behind the scenes. Check out my new single from my 1981 album on Spotify, iTunes, everywhere you consume music. Thank you, and share with your friends, okay? Bye.